In this video, I will show how to create hyperlink to another cell in another sheet. So right click on it, then click on link. Now here select place in this document and give the reference cell. So I want to link A1 cell in sheet number 1. So select here sheet number and here type the cell reference, for example A1, then click on OK. Now once you click on it, you will see your mouse cursor is changed into hand icon, and once you click on it, so it will link to this A1 cell. So similarly you can link in another cell or same cell. So if you want to link same sheet, same right click on it and link, select this place in this document and select your sheet number, like we are in the sheet 1 and we want to link here in the same sheet. Just you have to type the reference, cell reference, like A1, then click on OK. Now once you click on it, so it will link to A1 cell. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.